everybody, and welcome to another episode of Makina Auto Features. This time we are going to be doing look number 2 for the Jimny. And this is a first of sorts. I mean, we don't generally go back to a car that we already did, right? Pero ang daming sin pwedeng gawin sa Jimny di ba? It's just that type of 4x4. Masarap maglaro with different things, its appearance and all of that. So anyway, just as a recap, yung ating look number 1 doon, I ended up with a gray one. So yung mags na pinalitan natin doon, lagyan natin ng Wild Boar, which is in cream. In fact, yan yung start kung bakit na-addict ako sa gray and white wheels na theme. Yung Cayman S natin ganon, Suzuki Espresso ganon din. In fact, yung Navara lang yung gray na hindi ko pa napapalitan yung mags because I'm having a hard time looking for mags that I like for the Navara. Anyway, so for the Jimny 2, naka Wild Boar mags tayo and Falcon tires. Nagpalit din tayo ng front bumper doon and nilagyan natin ng Apio grill. Now that was done care of the guys in Jimny Hub. Great guys as well. Sila din yung Rugged Rigs, so they know their 4x4 really well and they got good products. Sila yung tumira ng mga parts na yon. And then we went to the Shop Automotive kung saan sinalpakan natin ng Tough Dog suspension yung Jimny natin. So the entire suspension sa ilalim, palit yun lahat. On top of that, nilagyan din natin ng torque control yung ating Jimny. Torque control was actually one of the favorite things that I put in there because yung response niya sa throttle, yung alis niya mas gumande. And of course, we all know yung mga complaints ng ibang mga riders about the Jimny, medyo makupad or underpowered. However, with that little torque control, I mean, that kind of sorted things out. So and then, ang nabitin lang ako ay yung bumper sa likod, yung HP1. So this is where look 2 comes in. I also wanted to play with the color. Sabi ko, parang bagay kung ibahin ko na yung kulay ng ating grill at yung bumper since magpapalitan rin naman tayo ng bumper. And then, yung bubong, I wanted to sort that out. So in terms of Hilamos, I wanted to introduce you guys to this guy named Alvin. He's a good friend of mine, kababata ko ito, and I've seen him flourish through the years kasi naging go-to siya sa mga masiselan magpapintura ng auto. He's done a lot of exotic cars, he's done a lot of regular cars as well, and very consistent siya, basta pag siya tumira maganda yung gawa. And he's been at it for over 20 years already. Medyo matagal na niyang ginagawa ito, and he's based in Makati. So for my bumpers, pintura and the grill, ang pinatira ko nito ay si Alvin. Check this out. Hey Alvin! Kamusta? Una-una, thank you so much for taking time out. Sobrang busy mong tao.
Busy.
Yeah, busy. When did you first start this?
Well, I started painting, I think 99, 25 years.
Why did you get into car painting?
I don't know. I always wanted to keep my cars really shiny. So nagpapagawa ako before sa kung kani-kanino lang. Tapos by watching them, I was able to learn the process.
And then I think you realized you can do better?
Of course.
You have the reputation right now na pag-usapan bangga in mga kahit anong UP pa yan, kayang-kaya mo ayusin. Kailan naman pumasok yung beyond Hilamos lang, yung talagang repair na?
Yung mga bangga, I started buying total wrecked cars from the insurance companies. Inaayos ko na lang, then
doon ka naka-practice?
Doon ako nag-practice.
Ilang auto na would you say since 99? Sabi mo nagawa mo na?
Hindi ko mabilang.
Talaga?
Hindi ko mabilang.
Hundreds na
I
hundreds
don't even remember what I did last month. Minsan pintor ko, hindi rin maalala.
Kasi yung shop mo, samot-sari, lahat tinatanggap mo. M4 nga to eh. You have a Vespa, you have a Miata over here, all of these cars.
There's old Benz there, 1969, something like that.
What would you say is the most expensive car you've ever worked on?
I've done a Ferrari.
Okay.
Pero retouch lang.
Okay. Pero buong auto na Hilamos?
Rolls-Royce.
Wow!
Yeah,
Rolls-Royce.
Yeah. Actually, bangga siya.
Ano naman masabi mo yung pinaka-challenge?
Una-una, customers. Kasi yung level ng selan mo, minsan, kailangan mo tapatan eh.
Okay.
Diba? Diyan ka mapapractice, depende sa customer.
Okay.
So kung maselan customer, you have to, make your level higher.
Kasi minsan may makikita yan na.
Yeah. Katulad mo.
Yung selan nga yan, I kind of learned that from you.
I just painted one car a couple of days ago. Brand new May mga overspray siya sa glass.
Oh.
Tapos nakita ko, repainted na yung buong side. So maybe nagasgas siya habang shipping sa logistics
may ganun
niya.
Pala eh.
Kaya mga bumibiling brand new dyan, ha? Double check nyo.
So now you know.
Mga repainted dyan.
I've had several cars painted na with you. Right now, we worked on the Jimny. Bukod sa personal touch na pagkaselan mo, doon sa spray painting process, may mga trade secrets ka na
Actually, there's no secret. Yung preparations mo talaga, kailangan maayos.
Pinakamahirap na ginawa mo, Otto.
Actually, it's not a car.
Okay.
It's a bike. Hindi makuha yung kulay eh. I
ito
went to 4 suppliers na. So what I did, I combined both. Nakuha din. It's a Suzuki GSX-R.
It's a Suzuki Blue.
Yes. It took me like 2 weeks
to look for that.
Yeah.
Sila. So talagang preparation nga talaga yung mahirap na kailangan gawin. Congrats and salamat at tinira natin yung bumper ng Jimny.
Shout out. Merville Peeps, Sabado Whoop Moto, and Rat Pack.
So nung napinturahan na yung ating grill, I'm like, may kulang eh, di ba? And then our friend from Jimny Hub said, Zach, yung bubong same color mo na dun sa wheels para talagang mukhang mas maaliwalas yung Jimny mo. So I'm like, okay, let's do it. For the bubong, hindi ako willing pinturahan yon kasi I was only willing to paint aftermarket parts, right? So yung bubong, sabi ko, okay, I'm not willing to have this painted. Wrap is my next option. So nagbakasakali lang ako. I went to Second Skin. They are like the industry leader in terms of quality wraps. They carry Inozitec, which is a very, very good brand. Yan yung nilagay ko sa Cayman Esco and I'm very, very happy na mukhang pintura. So nagbakasakali ako kung meron silang shade na gano'n, yung parang cream off-white, and lo and behold, meron nga sobrang lapit ng kulay. Sabi ko, I wanna use this. Check this out.
'Cause it's a bittersweet symphony, this life. Try to make ends meet, you slave to money, then you'll die. I'll take you down the only road I've ever been down, but the one man takes you to the places where all the things meet, yeah.
So there you have it, our look 2 for Makina Auto Features for the Jimny. Kung meron kayong suggestions for look number 3 for next year, I'm thinking kasi baka pwedeng ibahin nyo ko yung look ng muka, you know, maybe another grill or another set of bumpers, or maybe kasi may mga gumagawa na like sina Jimny Hub, nagtuturbo na sila ng Jimny, so parang pwede diba? So we'll see. This is Zach. Ciao.
No, no, no. Have you ever been down? Have you ever been down?